As the Samsung Galaxy S25 and iPhone 17 Pro compete for flagship supremacy, the 2025 smartphone war is intensifying. Although they both strive to provide high-end experiences with innovative cameras, cutting-edge performance, and intelligent AI features, their strategies couldn't be more dissimilar. Customers have been impressed by the Galaxy S25, which is already available, thanks to its elegant 6.2-inch FHD Plus AMOLED screen, incredibly thin 7.25mm profile, and lightweight 162G construction. A few weeks before its release, the iPhone 17 Pro is a little thicker at 8.7mm and a little bigger at 6.3 inches, which makes room for what may be Apple's largest battery to date. With the Gorilla Glass Victus 2, Samsung chooses an aluminum frame, while Apple is rumored to be moving away from titanium and toward a robust aluminum glass hybrid. Apple is going all out with a rumored copper orange and a stunning iridescent finish, while Samsung sticks to a sophisticated color scheme of mint, icy blue, navy, and silver shadow. Both display technologies offer refresh rates of 120 Hz and peak brightness of about 2600 nits, so they are still in close competition. Apple might apply a scratch-resistant and anti-reflective coating, but it's not certain if it will be ready for launch. The Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU and 12GB of RAM under the hood of the Galaxy S25 provide top-tier performance. Apple's A19 Pro CPU, which is based on a state-of-the-art 3nm process for enhanced performance and efficiency, finally matches Samsung's 12GB RAM. AI is quickly becoming the key to success. Gemini AI is incorporated into Samsung's One UI 7 along with features like Circle to Search, Smart Photo Search, and improved voice capabilities. The specifics are yet unknown, but Apple is reportedly planning to add sophisticated photo editing, text summarizing, and other features to its Apple Intelligence suite. It becomes intriguing in the camera war. 348MP lenses are expected to be included in the iPhone 17 Pro, a new telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom, an ultra-wide lens, and a wide lens. Additionally, 8K video recording, dual camera video, and variable aperture may be introduced. Reusing its 50MP plus 12MP plus 10MP configuration, the Galaxy S25 adds robust software enhancements including expert RAW, log video, and better HDR. Compared to Samsung's 4000 mAh and 25W battery life, Apple's rumored 4700 mAh cell and 35W cable charging could be the company's largest advancement. A sleek, dependable flagship experience is provided by the Galaxy S25, while Apple's most daring update in years may be the iPhone 17 Pro. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.